Meet the toolbar. You'll see it on the left-hand side as icons, or you can expand it. The first one at the top is your text. Click Add Text and type in the text box. On the text palette, you'll be able to change your font, change the color, make multiple adjustments to your text, and even add text effects like outline and drop shadow. Next, you have your Photos and Video tab. That's where you can add a photo from your computer, from your hub, and of course you can add stock photos and stock videos too. Remember, photos can be used in creative ways. Here, I'm applying this photo over my original image, and I'm adjusting the blend mode to give it a cool effect. I'm going to select hard light and fade it a bit. Then I'm going to resize it, and that looks pretty cool. Next, I'm going to head to my graphics. PicMonkey has so many beautiful graphics, and we're constantly adding more. You can use the search bar to search for something that you're looking for. If you have a logo or an icon or a graphic of your own, you can add it. Just click Add Your Own Graphic. Next is the Draw tool. Adjust the size and the hardness, and go ahead and draw on your image. When you apply it, that drawing is now a layer, so you can erase, and if you have that layer selected, you can add a texture to it, just like any other layer. Next is your Edits tab. You'll find many basic edits in here, including the ability to crop your entire canvas. When using the crop tool, feel free to crop as you please, or you can choose a pre-selected aspect ratio that PicMonkey has provided. You'll also see basic photo adjustments and advanced edits too. Now, let's take a look at Touch Up. Make sure that the image you want to touch up is selected on your Layers tab. This image is already perfect as it is, but if you want to do any teeth whitening or airbrushing, this is where you'll find the tools for that. Effects is right underneath Touch Up. Again, make sure the layer that you want to add the effect to is selected on your Layers tab. By converting the image to a layer, I can hold down Shift and select all layers. This will allow me to add an effect to all layers, like this arcade edit, for example. One of my favorite PicMonkey features is textures. When you select any layer, you can add any texture to it. Textures are things like foil, glitter, gradients, scratches, ink, watercolor, and you can add your own. For this example, I'm going to add a color gradient, make some adjustments, and click Apply. When I say you can add textures to any layer, I mean any layer, even text. As long as you have it selected, then it'll apply. See how here I'm adding some glitter to this text? You can take textures to the next level by adjusting blend modes. In this example, I'm going to lighten the glitter to make some magic. In this bottom section, you'll see frames, you'll see templates, which you can always browse through, You'll see Collage, which we'll go over soon in one of the next videos. And you'll see themes, which are beautifully curated text, graphics, effects to make your design process easier. And lastly, you'll see comments. This is where you can make comments on your project, which is awesome when you're collaborating with someone.